Okay, we're at a huge turning point for software. Let's dig into the AI-native strategy.
So, the software world, it's pretty much split into two distinct camps right now. First, you've got the ones just sprinkling AI features on top of their existing products.
And then you have the others. They're rebuilding everything from scratch, with AI right at the core.
So which camp is really building for the future? One of these paths leads to irrelevance.
And this quote just nails it. Users don't want another tool, they want the work done.
A lot of companies fall right into this, the wrapper trap. It's just a thin UI over a big AI model.
See, adding a rewrite button is just a temporary fix, but proactively drafting an email, that's a real moat.
So the real solution here is to go from being just a tool to being a teammate.
This table really lays it out. We're talking about a shift from a passive tool to an active agent.
Think about it. An ERP system that handles 98% of invoices automatically? It cut user churn by 22%.
Okay, so how do you actually pull this off? Let's get into the blueprint for making this pivot.
All right, here's the 4-step plan to transform your product. It's the core of the whole thing. First, you have to move past simple if-then rules. Your software needs to think in probabilities.
This is key. You're not building tools, you're building agents with goals that get things done.
And this changes everything, even pricing. If AI makes users 10x faster, seat-based pricing will kill you. Your real competitive moat? It's something called information gain. It's what your AI knows that others don't.
And bam, here's a perfect example. This is a brand new insight the user didn't even ask for.
And the industry is moving fast. Gartner says by 2026, 30% of new apps will use AI UIs.
I mean, look at that jump. From less than 5% today, that tells you where this is all going.
All right, ready to get started? Let's talk about your first tactical steps. Here's your roadmap. It all starts with your unique data and finding those high-friction user tasks. And one last thing, remember that managing the weight is part of the experience. Show the AI's thinking.
So you have to ask yourself, is your product built for yesterday or for tomorrow?